He lost battles, but won a war. Nathanael Greene turned retreat into strategy and exhaustion into victory. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Nathanael Greene was born in 1742 into a Quaker family in Rhode Island, raised to avoid war yet destined to master it. Denied formal military training, Greene studied war on his own, books, theory, logistics, turning intellect into his greatest weapon. George Washington recognized Greene's brilliance early, making him a general, quartermaster, and one of his most trusted commanders. As quartermaster general, Greene kept the army alive, finding food, clothing, and supplies when the revolution nearly collapsed. In 1780, Greene took command of the Southern Campaign, facing stronger British forces with fewer men and fewer resources. Greene avoided total destruction, retreating, striking, retreating again, forcing Britain to win battles while losing the war. Battles like Cowpens and Guilford Courthouse shattered British strength, leading Cornwallis toward the trap at Yorktown. Nathanael Greene didn't conquer territory, he conquered time. And by doing so, he helped secure American independence.